My first poem is called More is More, inspired actually by Catherine Smith's long narrative poem called The New Cocaine. Less is not more, more is more. Abundance is the key. I am abundant. I changed from being careful to being generous. Be generous, said my late husband. I wasn't before my lost years. Today, I give unconditionally. I don't need any more than I already have, and I have a lot. I have excess. Food galore, friends galore, jewels galore, clothes galore, headwear galore, shoes galore. I need very little. I need me time. I need good health. I need genuine friends. I do not need wealth. Quality, not quantity. The key to life, sincere friendship, kindness, empathy, love, abundance. More is more. I've just come back from Turkey, and I was inspired. I took with me Fry's Turkish Delight, and it went down very well in Turkey. Obviously it was the English version. So I wrote a poem called Turkish Delight. Lokum, full of promise, rose water, exotic nights, magically silhouetted with minarets. Ottoman Empire, Suleiman the Magnificent, Kanuni Sultan Suleiman, 1520 to 1566. Past glory, influences today. Ottoman Empire, Greece, Egypt, the Balkans, Macedonia, Albania, Cyprus, and Persia. Turkish Delight, forever and ever. Thank you. And the last one is called Bingo Linguistics. Lifelong passion, early start, 22. Italian, Perugia University. Disaster, 1966, Florence floods. Turning point, pivotal year, ICE, that's the Italian Board of Trade. Bingo, Italian flowing, learnt subliminally, learnt forever. After Italian, Spanish. Bingo, after Spanish, Brazilian Portuguese. Bingo. Out of nowhere, French. Previous life, but forever French. Bingo. Always a passion, Greek. Odd one out. Years of trying, Tipota. Bingo. Broke the barrier, conversation, cigar, cigar. I mean slowly, slowly. New passion, Turkish, yavaş yavaş. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jilliana. We now have two more